Hello, it's Dan again. This time I'm coming to you from an abandoned sanatorium a bit south of Santiago. I'm afraid I don't know too much of the history of this place, so I guess I have some research to do when I get home. But it's really beautiful here. It's in pretty bad shape. There's not a lot left in a lot of the rooms or anything, but I still really like it here. Michelle and I found some random old, what I'm assuming is a fruit packing plant, basically in the middle of nowhere as we were trying to find a park. So I stepped in and I thought I would take a look around a little bit. Not a lot to take video of here, but please enjoy some photos. Hello, Michelle and I are now at Humedal de Pichilemu. She's laughing at me because I've tried to do this a few times now and mess it up every time.
Pichilemu.
Pichilemu. Anyway, it's a really popular beach town. There's just bazillions of people here. It's way busier than I expected. We are not looking forward to fighting all the traffic going home to Santiago, because it's Sunday and everybody that was here for the weekend is going back now. But at least for now, we have ducks.
Yeah.
And we're going to look at the ducks.